Hey y'all, so we off to my kids' school to go pick up their school supply because their school is supplying them with their stuff that they need for throughout the year. So about to go pick that up, go and pick up some breakfast from McDonald's, and we will be coming right back home. See you. So you guys, I got some stuff from my kids' teachers. They were giving out supplies so they will have everything they need for the school year. And it got the lessons and then for my fourth grader, they got a little more materials plus more like books and stuff. So I think overall they're doing a good job as far as getting the kids prepared for this year of school. I mean, the last school year, it was like kind of towards the end, so I do understand like the teachers were still trying to figure out how they were gonna go about the school year and stuff, but I say so far they're doing a good job. They got every student a Chromebook and we got supplies for the students, so it makes everything just really easy, and we're gonna get through this all together.
I can hear them thinking out loud. Simple people acting so proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They keep hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe. No, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about
So guys, these are the candles I got on sale. They were on sale for $11.99, I believe, on Bath and Body Works, and I believe this is the last day of the sale. But these are the 3 candles that I got. These are my favorite scents. So yeah, y'all better go and get y'all some.